Sekuphele iminyaka eyishumi kwafakwa amakhamera okuqapha kule ndawo kodwa awasebenzi kuze kube yimanje.
The city is promising that they're going to put more cameras in the next financial year, which I think maybe it's politicking because we know that we are going to May the 29th, so everyone needs a vote. So I think it's that because it's not the first time they promised us about these cameras. It's been years.
Lenkinga yokungakwazi ukuthwebula ubugebengu obenzekayo kwenza kube nzima ukukhomba lezi gilamkhuba emphakathini njengoba kungelula ukuthi izakhamuzi zibonelelwe ngezinsiza ezimqoka okubala kuzo izimoto zosizo oluphuthumayo.
I find an ambulance here waiting for the police to escort them to Browns Farm. So that ambulance, I asked that people, they said they were called at around 6:30 in the morning. But because they can't just go there with the ambulance, they have to come in Nyanga police station to ask for an escort.
Ubugebengu base Browns Farm bungamaphesenti angama-70 enyanga kanti kubalwa kubo inkokhelo ephoqiwe ukubulala, ukudlwengula, ukuphanga nokuduna kwezimoto, ubugebengu basezinkundleni zokuxhumana kanye nodlame olweyamene nobulili.
You know the reason why it's so like that in Browns Farm is because of the environment design in Browns Farm, where you can never have a proper street or a proper road for any emergency service that can go through.
IDelft, iKraaifontein, iMfuleni, iMitchells Plain kanye neNyanga yizo lezi izindawo amaphoyisa aziqaphele kakhulu njengezinobugebengu obuphezulu.
These cameras are being rolled out where we can see the crime stats at the highest. That's how all of our technology is applied, whether it's the gunfire detection or the use of our drones.
Njengoba kubhekwe okhethweni lukazwelonke, izakhamuzi azinalo ithemba lokuthi uhulumeni uzozifeza izethembiso zokulwa nobugebengu.